Pastor Nog's kitchen. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. You are welcome to our channel. It's Pastor Nog's cooking channel. It's called Pastor Nog's kitchen. You are welcome to our channel. Those who are coming for the first time, come and enjoy and enjoy and enjoy and enjoy and enjoy. This is the day. Hallelujah. It's our Sunday once again. You are blessed to be part of our community in our Pastor Nog's kitchen. Yes. Today, guys, we are going to be making because I'm not gonna be cooking it with rice. I was gonna call it prawn savory rice, né? But because today we are gonna be cooking the prawns together with bacon, because our prawns are a bit small. I bought the small ones and the package is a bit tiny, so I decided that now I'm just gonna cook the prawns and then cook the bacon, and then I'll fuse it together. Then I'll mix it up with our macaroni. Okay, our macaroni. Yes, guys. So today we are doing prawns, but we are doing savory prawns, né? Mixed with bacon and our screws. Okay, so come and enjoy. It just melts in your mouth. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. So you are welcome once again to Pastor Nog's kitchen. Today we are doing prawns together with bacon. So we are doing savory prawns with bacon. Okay, guys, it's Pastor Nog's recipe. Yes, it's never been done. I'm doing it for the first time. I've always done savory of prawns, but without bacon. But because I saw that today my prawns are a bit small, so it's better I incorporate it together with diced bacon. Okay, guys, so watch and learn. Watch and learn. You're gonna learn a lot today. Just hang in there. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, my people, just hang on a bit. Okay, my people, I've already cooked our screws, né? This is it. I think you can see it like this, if I'm not mistaken. I bought this from Woolworths, guys, né? I think there's like 3 of them for a very reasonable price. Yes, so I've already cooked it. See, it's already cooked, guys, because I don't want our video to be longer cooking the screws, and then on the other side I'm still gonna do our prawns and bacon. Okay, so this is our screws that are already cooked. It's ready. I cooked it. You can see there's still a steam, so it's still hot. Okay, so there you are. Just gonna put it aside, because we'll use it at the end when we mix our already cooked prawns. Okay, I also wanted to show you guys, to avoid having a long video, I already soaked our prawns. There they are. Our prawns is already soaked. As you can see, it's already soaked. I'm going to show you the ingredients that I used to soak our prawns, and let me show you the brand that I bought. Okay, guys. This is the brand. This is the brand that I bought from Food Lovers, guys. They were 50 rand, 49 rand. They were on special. Okay, it's the Chapman's. It's the shrimps. Okay, yes, the small ones. These are the small ones, not the big ones. So you can buy this at Food Lovers. I think they're still gonna be on special towards the end of October. Yes, for 49 rand. Okay, and this is 240 grams. Okay, so if you want to try this recipe, this is the product. Go and buy it at Food Lovers, guys. Okay, yes. So our prawns is already soaked. Let me tell you the ingredients I used to soak our shrimps. I used our garlic, crushed ginger and garlic from Food Lovers. I took a scoop, I braised it, and then I also used our Worcester sauce. Then I also put our lemon pepper. Remember this one. It's not the first time we've used this. Remember last time I showed you guys. It's lemon pepper. It's very salty, so you don't have to use salt because this is already salty. It's lemon pepper. So I also braised this. Our shrimps with this spice. Okay. Yeah. The other ones we'll use it later, ne? The parsley spice and the chili crushed. Okay. Later on, you will grate once we are done. This is Parmesan cheese, guys. I know it's expensive, but it gives flavor to, if you are cooking food that's like macaroni and cheese, you know, where, yeah, the screws involved, you just use this. Or you're doing pizza, cheddar cheese, white cheese, there's another one, okay, I'll remember it later. Then you also use this. It gives your cheesy thing with your pizzas and all nice flavor. Eh? Okay, and then we'll also use butter again. Eh? When you're cooking your shrimps, you always use butter. Don't use your normal cooking oil. Use your butter, and if you don't have butter, I think you can use olive oil. Yeah. But if you don't, you just use the oil that you have, it's okay. And then we have potato paste. I'll show you when we use this one. Also, this one on special at Food Lovers. Can't remember for 20 rand or what was the situation. Yeah. Okay, guys. And then we have I also soaked our diced bacon. This is diced. I bought it already like this. They also sell it at Woolworths. This one, I think I bought it at Food Lovers, if I'm not mistaken, or another shop. Yes. So I also braised it with ginger and garlic. I also put a little bit of spice because it's already salted on its own. It's got salt on its own. So I also braised it with the lemon pepper as well, and then I soaked it. Now we are going to cook these two items. Then another thing that I wanted to show you guys, next time I will show you how to make that. It's called curry base. Next time. This is my curry base, guys. I always cook this and I keep it in the freezer. It makes your cooking very easy. What is inside here is onion, green pepper, tomato, ginger and garlic. And then I blended it with my blender. I cooked it. After cooking it, I put cinnamon sticks. I put the biryani mix. I put the bay leaves while I was cooking it until it was infused nicely. Then I poured it on all these containers of ice cream. Then I freeze them in the freezer. So what I do when I do grocery, I buy a lot of green peppers, green, yellow, red, and then I dice them up, blend them together with onion and tomato, and then I cook it. Then I keep it in the freezer. So whenever I cook, I just take it out. In fact, I was supposed to take it out in the morning. I just remembered very late to take it out. That's why it's still iced. If I took it out in the morning, it would have been like a liquid now. So you're going to see it nicely. But I will show you. Don't stress how to do it. So that as busy moms and working women, those who are career women who have position of leadership, you don't have to stress. You just take this thing in the morning, you leave it out of the fridge, you come back after work, you just fry your chicken or your bacon bacon or whatsoever that you're gonna fry, chicken or meat or whatever, then you just scoop that curry base. You mix it up if you want to make it like curry, you know. It makes everything very fast and quick. Okay, so let's get to business now. We're gonna start cooking our shrimps. Once we are done, we'll scoop it, put it aside. Then the next we'll cook our diced bacon. Take it out, put it aside. Then we'll do our like a sauce like. Then once it's cooked, then we're gonna put all together now the shrimps together with the diced bacon. Then we'll mix it with our screws. Okay, so just hang in there. Pastor Nancy will be right back. Yes. Okay, my people, we are back. So now we put on our butter. Put our shrimps. We're cooking now our shrimps, guys. Okay. Just allow it to simmer a bit. There's our shrimp, guys. It's the small ones, né? Yeah. See? Shrimps is cooking. Just gonna put the lid in it and come back and check. That's my people, you see? The shrimp is about to be okay. You see why I needed to add diced bacon? Because I knew that these shrimps are very small, so they might end up, once they are cooked, become smaller, you see. So in order for us to have a nice screw savory with shrimps and diced bacon, it's better for me to add bacon. Okay. Our shrimps is fine now. I'll take it out. Another thing, guys, that I forgot to tell you, when I was soaking the shrimps, I also put lemon. I squeezed lemon. Sorry. Oh, yes. I squeezed lemon juice, the original lemon, not Lecol, not the one you buy. You just buy the original lemon and you dice it and squeeze the juice, the lemon juice. Okay. So our shrimps is ready now. We just need to take it out. Okay, my people, now we're gonna add our diced bacon. Same butter that is left here. It's gonna cook for us our diced bacon, because bacon has its own oil, so we are avoiding, because we're still gonna put some oil when we do our sauce. Okay. Let it simmer and then we'll check it later. So it's cooking. Okay, my people, just hang in there. Yes, my people, hallelujah, hallelujah, to God be the glory. Now we are cooking our diced bacon. So while we are waiting for our bacon to cook, let's just dice up our onion to prepare for our sauce. our curry sauce that we're going to do with our base, curry base, and then we will infuse together, pour the shrimps and then pour the diced bacon, mix it nicely, then we will add our shrimp, our screws. Then we'll have our prepared savory shrimps with bacon and screws. Okay, just hanging there. To God be the glory. So let's dice our onion while we are waiting for our bacon to cook. Okay, follow me. Okay, my people, so we are preparing our onion, our sauce. Okay. This is at the center. And let's go and rinse it. Our onion is ready. It's ready for cooking. She's ready. Okay, my people, now what we need to do is to go and check our bacon. I think now it's well cooked. Just hang in there. Yes, guys, our bacon is ready. It's ready. Our bacon is ready, guys. So I'm taking it out. So now we are going to use this oil, yes, for our sauce that we are about to cook now, because our pan is dry. Just check it. Okay. Just to pour a little bit. Then what we are going to put here is our onion. Let's wait for it to just heat up a bit. Okay, my people, I just put my onion. Let's wait for our onion to cook nicely. Yes. Let's wait for it to cook nicely. The reason why we're still using the same pan, we just want all the ingredients to be infused in our onion, because we're still going to include the shrimps together with the bacon. Okay, hang in there. Okay, my peeps, we're gonna use the spice of the sauce brine to add on our onions. Okay, we'll just put a little bit. Just wait for our onion to cook nicely. Can even close the lid for now. Okay, my people, as you can see now, our onion is well cooked. So now what we are going to do is to add our curry base, the one that I said I cook it and then I put it in the freezers. Okay, so I'm gonna put it because it's iced. That's why you're seeing these bean chunks. Curry base. I cook a long time. That's the one I added now. You see there's bay leaves. Okay, so I'm gonna close the lid so that we allow it to melt nicely and become a nice sauce. So as you can see, we'll be right back. Yes, my people, you see our sauce has infused very nicely. So we've got the crushed chilies, we're just gonna add it there. Then we have also the parsley spice, we add it there. You see, it's nicely infused now. It's our curry sauce. See? Then we are going to add our tomato paste. I've already opened it. This is our tomato paste. Okay guys, so I'm gonna mix it nicely. See, the color is changing. Mind you, when I was cooking my curry base, the one that I took from the freezer, I put a lot of spices. So someone may be wondering, why am I not putting salt? It's already salty. I just only put that spice on our onions. So now we're going to add our diced bacon. We're going to add our shrimps. You see? Nicely. See how good this is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. So you can see now it's well done, well cooked. So now it's ready for us to mix it with our screws. Then we're gonna have a completely savory screws with shrimps and diced bacon. Just hang in there while you see us mix it. Yes, my people, we are back. Yes, so there's our screws already cooked. There's our curry base already cooked. So now we are mixing the two. Okay. The reason why we are mixing is because we are calling it our savory shrimps and bacon and diced bacon. So I'm making our savory screws with shrimps and diced bacon. People have to put, because I use the whole pack, so that's why you're gonna put this whole curry base into our shrimps. So this can be a meal for 2 days, not 1 day. Luckily for me, guys, I was blessed. I also train my children not to eat that much. So if you are a large family, I think this can be a 1 day meal, but for us it's a 2 days meal. Okay. So we are done now. So we are mixing. We are mixing nicely now. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, guys. You can come up with your own recipes. You see, I told you that we have some sticks for the biryani. This is one of them. When I'm doing my curry base, so it has this nice aroma, and then also a marvelous taste. So you see, let's make sure that all the screws are soaked in our sauce, so that when you dish it, nobody has a side that is dry. Yeah. So it's nicely mixed. So I believe it's evenly mixed. As you can see, this is our savory screws with shrimps and diced bacon. So now we're going to grate our Parmesan cheese and then sprinkle it all over and close it. Then supper time will come. Okay, guys. Wow. Okay. Let me get a paper towel. Just getting the paper towel just to clean them. Okay. Let's grate our cheese. Remember, guys, I told you that this is a Parmesan cheese. It's expensive, but this one was 85 rand 98. This one. Okay. So yeah, cheese. Yeah. It's very hard cheese, so that's why I love it that you don't use a lot. It's always like this. It's a very hard kind of, it's got a texture that is a bit hard, you know. You can use any cheese you like. It's just that it depends on your understanding of cheese, né? That some are much. Oh, I forgot the other cheese was mozzarella. I said you can use cheddar cheese, white cheese, and then you can also use mozzarella. It's also good. Eat mozzarella together with this one. They are very good for pizzas. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think we have to use that much. Okay. This. Then take our. So what you do, just sprinkle it all over. If I had time, I was gonna put it just a little bit on the microwave. I mean, the oven. Yes. Guys. So this is our savory screws with shrimps and diced bacon. That's our finished product. You can still mix it up because it's still hot to allow the cheese to infuse nicely. Then I'll show you guys when we dished it up for supper. Okay. Yes, my people. There we go. Yes, my people, Pastor Nonce's kitchen. We are done with our celery screws, infused with shrimps and diced bacon. So there is, feed your mouth, feed your mouth. Yes, I'll show you the finished product. This is our finished product. This was our recipe for the day. I hope you learned a lot, guys. I'm still going to show you once I've dished it nicely for supper. This is our Sunday supper, guys. Yes, I hope you learned a lot, guys. It was very quick. I hope you enjoyed. Love you all, my people. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, my people, we are done for our Sunday supper, guys. There's our food. We're looking all scrumptious. Yes, 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 yes. This is our food, guys, for the supper. Yes, our savory screws. Yes, yes. There's our dish right there, guys. Check this one out. Check it out, guys. There it is with our dessert. Okay, and also our juice. Okay, guys, this is our supper. I hope you all enjoyed our cooking today and you learned a lot. With all the love from Pastor Nancy, from Pastor Nancy's kitchen. Enjoy your Sunday. Yes, I love you all with the love of Christ. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Ciao, 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 ciao. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Yes, yes, yes. Our savory of screws with our shrimps and also our diced bacon. That was our recipe for today. I hope everybody enjoyed it and they learned a lot. I love you all with the love of Christ. Ciao, 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 ciao. Yeah, yeah.